everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today we are at CVS, and actually we're not at the one in Moody today. We're at the one in Pell City. I am actually off today and we are going to pick up some stuff while we're in there. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, I do these every single, today is actually Monday, but I always upload on Thursdays. That way you have a couple days where you can still get these sales that they have going on. I mostly get makeup, but I do get other things that catch my eye. And this is not necessarily the cheapest of the couponing. This is more like I want to get stuff that I would want from here at a better price. So yeah, let's see what kind of deals we can find this week. And by the way, I do have a playlist link in my description box below in case you want to see a playlist of this type of video. All right, let's go see. All right, here is the Milani section. And there is a few things on clearance, but I like to get things that's, these are 50% off, and that's a good deal. But there's more than one of each, so sometimes they'll go 75% off, which is even a better deal, so I'll wait. But this is buy one get one half off, and you get $2 extra when you buy any eye cosmetics. So what I'm thinking, I can get the eyeshadow primer because I love this eyeshadow primer. I've had it in my collection before and I used it up and I loved it. And it's going for $7.69, so that'll be my half off. And then get this green one, which is called Outlaw Olive. Oh, that's cute. And these are going for, I think it said 11 something on this little thing, but it's kind of broken, so I'll get 2 of those. Here is some paparazzi nail polishes, and okay, so 25% off. I'm not going to get that, but this one is 75% off. I'm going to get both of these because I do not have this color as of yet, and I'll get one for me and one for you guys. And then there's a 50% one, which I have at the house. I believe I had an extra one. And there's this gray color, which is really cute. I'm going to pick this one up because I don't have that one. And yeah. Alright, so this is the Covergirl section. It's pretty big. And it has a buy 2 of any Covergirl cosmetics get $6 extra. And then I also have a coupon on the app that says $3. I think it was $3 off of any lip product. So I have this color in my collection, the Sugar Almond Shimmer Covergirl Continuous Color Lipstick, but I don't have this one, so I think I'll pick the Bronzed Peach Shimmer one this time. And for the second product, I don't want that because it's matte. I have the concealer, I believe, already. I think. I'm like 50% sure. I have the primer. I have that, but I haven't tried it out yet. I have that. Let's see. That's matte. That's matte. And I want this. I think I'll be the classic ivory color. So, and that's gonna be $8.79. And the lipstick was how much? $6.59. Alright, the woman at work was wanting to get this at our workplace, but unfortunately we sold out before she could get to it, and it's 75% off right now. It's going for $164. It is the Beauty 360 Comfort Hold Callus Shaver, so I'm going to get this for her. Okay, there is a sign right here that says 2 for $20 and get $7 extra on all whatever that says hair color, and I'm not sure if it's going for that, but I don't need 2 boxes of it. But this is what Elena's been wanting to do like her tips with, so I think I'll get this, and at most I'll just get, you know, my discount with it, or maybe not because it's on sale. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna get it anyway. So there is a buy one get one free on Coke products and Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Kinetia Dry, and Sunkiss. But they don't have Sunkits. I'm not getting root beer. Anyways, which ones do y'all want and how many?
I want root beer. I want Fanta. Oh yeah.
Fanta's not part of it, I don't think. No. That's probably the other thing. So you got your choice between Coke, Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, or Sunkiss.
What is this? Sunkiss.
There's no Sunkiss. They don't have it. So I guess it's Dr. Pepper or Coke. So let's just get 1 Dr. Pepper and 1 Coke.
That's a disappointment.
What do you want? Sorry. I don't think that's part of the deal.
Well,
got different cereals for only $1.99 here. Look at that, the Lucky Charms Frosted Flakes. It looks cool, and it's only $1.99. And I want some Cheerios. And what else? Oh, look at the Pop-Tart cereal.
Pop-Tarts?
What's that? Alright, that's enough cereal. Alright, so we are out, and I guess I'm not going to add up the receipts like I normally do because I didn't really get that much, but I'll show you what I did get. Alright, so I did the makeup first because I wanted the extra bucks, but I got the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I got the palette, and I got the Covergirl whip and the liquid foundation employee discount of $3. I got a Covergirl coupon. It was $2 off of a lip product on the app, 3 off of 12 on the app. And then I also had a $10 Care Pass reward to redeem, and then I also had 3 Beauty Club extra bucks that was on my card through the app, and that would equal out for $10.79. And how much did I save? Let's see, I saved $24.93 and only spent $10.79, which gave me a savings of 72% on that Covergirl stuff. So I got 4 products of cosmetics and only paid $10.79. And then for the second transaction, I got the 3 cereals, and for $1.99 each. The callus shaver that was 70% or 75% off. I got 2 of the nail polishes because one of them was just in the wrong spot and it was going for retail price. So I got it for what, 47 cents? Regular $3. Then I got the Dr. Pepper and Coke, and then I also got Elena's hair stuff. And then I got an employee discount. I had 50 cents off of the cereal through the app, and then I had my extra bucks from the transition from before, so that saved me $8. And I only paid $15.96 for all of that stuff, which led me to save $32.94. That is 71%. So even though I didn't get much makeup, it was a very good day on saving at CVS. So yeah, I saved pretty much 71.5% on all of this stuff today. And how much together? I don't even know. But yeah, pretty good today. Pretty good today. I'm happy. I got 4 new makeup products and some cereal and some Cokes and all that jazz. So I'm really happy with the outcome today, and I hope y'all are too. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know any comments down below if you are going to take advantage of any of these. And don't forget to check out that playlist in case you're new and you want to see my past CJ Maxx shop with me. CJ Maxx. CVS shop with me, or hauls. And I guess I will talk to y'all guys later. Bye.
Bye.
You want to say bye?
Mints.
Oh yeah, they went shopping too.
That's how I finally got a Sharpie. And I can finally draw right.
Y'all want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.